Hormones and Steroids by Helena, Rachel, and Grace. Hormones are secretory substances carried from one gland or organ of the body via the bloodstream to specific tissues where they exert some influence upon the metabolism of the target tissue. Normally, various hormones are produced and secreted by the endocrine glands, including the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, ovaries, testes, pancreatic, and certain portions of the gastrointestinal tract, the placenta, among mammalian species. There are three general classes or groups of hormones that are classified by chemical structure, not function. One group is steroid hormones, which function especially in a variety of female functions, and sex hormones, all of which lipids are made from cholesterol. There are also amino acid derivatives like epinephrine, which are derived from amino acids. Lastly, there are peptide hormones like insulin, which is the most numerous and diverse group of hormones. Each hormone shape is specific and can be recognized by the corresponding target cells. Binding sites on the target cells are called hormone receptors. Many hormones come in antagonistic pairs that have opposite effects on the target organs. For example, insulin and glucagon have opposite effects on the liver's control of the blood sugar level. Insulin lowers the blood sugar level by instructing the liver to take glucose out of circulation and store it, while glucagon instructs the liver to release some of its stored supply to raise the blood sugar level. Much hormonal regulation depends on feedback loops to maintain balance and homeostasis. As lack of any one of them can cause serious disorders, many hormones are now produced synthetically and used in treatment where deficiency exists. For example, the ovaries primarily secrete estrogen and progesterone, and the testes testosterone. Plants, too, have hormonal systems, which include the auxins and gibberellins. Now we are going to talk about steroids. The main feature of steroids is a fused ring system of 3 cyclohexenes and 1 cyclopentene. There are a variety of functional groups that may be attached. The main feature, as in all lipids, is the large number of carbon hydrogens, which make steroids nonpolar. Steroids include such well-known compounds as cholesterol, sex hormones, birth control, and anabolic steroids. Steroids differ from one another in their structure of various side chains and additional rings. Each member of the steroid family has a structure that differs from this basic skeleton in the degrees of unsaturation within the ring system and the identities of the hydrocarbon side chain substitutes attached to the ring. These substitutes are in most cases oxidized to alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, or carboxylic acid functional groups. Steroids are common in both plants and animals. In humans, steroids are secreted by the ovaries and testes, the adrenal cortex, and the placenta. The range of steroids is diverse, including several forms of vitamin D and bile acids. Many steroids are biologically active hormones that control a number of the body's metabolic processes. This group includes the male sex hormone testosterone and the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Natural or synthetic steroids are used in oral contraceptives and in the treatment of arthritis. Anabolic steroids, male hormones given up to strengthen the body, have been abused by bodybuilders and athletes in an attempt to increase mass, muscle, and strength. Thank you for listening.